Find the binomial expansion of this, simplifying the terms, hence find the coefficient of y cubed in this expansion. Okay, let's have a look at this then. So I'm going to use just Pascal's triangle here to expand this triangle 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and here's the fifth row, 1, 5, if that's the 0th row, of course. This is the 5th row, 10, 10, 5, and 1. So there's the terms. We start off with a 2 to the 5 and just descend the powers. 2 to the 4, 2 cubed, 2 squared, and 2 to the power 1. And then in the other direction is x to the 5, x to the 4, x cubed, x squared, and just an x. And now we just combine them all up. So there's these, there's going to be 6 terms in total, aren't there? These, and these. Okay, 1, yeah, 2 plus x to the 5 then is equal to 2 to the 5 is 32. Plus 16 5s are 8 10s or 80x. Here 8 times 10 is 80x squareds. And here we've got 4 40x cubes. Next one, 10x to the 4s. And then the last one is just plus an x to the 5. So that's the answer there for part 1. Hence find the y cubed coefficient in this. So here, the y cubed coefficient. So this is going to be tricky. Right, so x will equal 3y plus y squared. So if we substitute gives, so if we put it in here for part 2, the x cubed, y cubed term then, so we need the y cubed term. So let's have a look at it. 32 won't give any, x, none from here, x squared, when we square this, 80, so we'll have 80 of these squareds, and the cube term comes from the middle 2 terms, isn't it? 3 of them and another 3, so that would be times 6 from that term. 40 this cubed, so the cube term, when you cube this bracket, would only be this cubed, because if you think about it, 3 plus y, when you cube it, because that's what we've got here, it's going to be y cubed here, and the only thing will be 27 when you cube this, 27y cubed. So it's 40 times just the 27. And then the x to the 4 will be this to the 4, and there won't be any cube term, so that's all it is. So 6 8s are 48, 480. 4 27's 80, and 28 is 108. So it's 1080. Plus 1060 plus 500 really. 1560. So let's just quickly run that through again, just briefly. We're okay with this, but this second term, when we put x is equal to this, it will correspond to this. And then we'll get none from here, but x-wise we'll get no y cubes here. But when we square it, we're going to get the middle 2 terms, isn't it? It's like a quadratic. So you're going to get 6 of these. And when you cube it, you're just going to get 27 from this with a cube here. And then the fourth won't give any. So I think we're okay with that.